In this video, I'll walk you through how to draw a simple stickman in Moho and rig the character for animation. Create a new vector layer, then switch to the Draw Shape tool and choose the Add Point tool. Click on the canvas to draw a straight line. We'll add the midpoints later. Then select the line and use the Create Shape tool to turn it into a filled shape. You can adjust the line width to make the stroke thicker. I'm going to select the shape, then press Ctrl+C to copy it, and paste it several times until I have all the body parts one need, 2 legs and 2 arms. Next, I'll create a new shape for the head. This time I'll use the Draw Shape tool and select the oval option to draw it. Go on and select both layers, the head layer and the body layer. Right-click her and create a group. Right-click the group and give it a name. I will call it a stickman. Once you finish, it is time to convert this group into a bone. To place the bones accurately, I recommend turning on the grid and setting it to 100. Make sure Disable Grid Snap is checked so the points don't snap while you're positioning the bones. I will use the grids to add midpoints to the legs and arms so that we can add bones based on these points. Now click on the bone layer and start adding bones, starting with the main bone. With these 2 bones, I need to remove parents so that they become control bones. Set the strength of these 2 bones and the main bone to 0. Then lower the strength of the remaining bones to whatever level you prefer. Now I need to set the leg bones to target their corresponding control bones. Each leg should be assigned to its own control bone. Now it's time to bind the points. Select the main bone layer. Choose the bone you want to bind. Then select the vector layer and use bind points to attach the points to that bone. I will just need to remove the neck so that the stickman looks much better. Now select the head shape and reposition it. Then do the same with the head bone so everything lines up correctly. Our stickman is now ready for rigging. Thank you for watching this tutorial all the way to the end, and a special thanks to Bilalcomsats for requesting this video. If you have any questions, or if you'd like me to repeat any of the steps more clearly, just let me know. And don't forget to subscribe.